Hey everyone, welcome to Fishing Bass NC. Going to bring another video to you today. Today's going to be a little different. Recently I've been watching some people going to ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. And basically pulling out metal from the ponds using magnets. So I decided that I wanted to also get into that aspect of it in order to create a win-win situation for everybody. What I mean by that is it's a win-win because A, when you're fishing with a magnet and you're pulling a bunch of junk metal out of the waterways, you're cleaning up the waterways. So it's going to be better for the fish in the environment itself. It's going to be better for people that maybe even drink that water or even swim in that water. So it's going to be less polluted. So I have myself here a magnet that I ordered. I'm going to be teaming up with a company called Muscular Magnetics. And I ordered I think it's the 925 pound single-sided magnet. So we're going to do a box opening today and we're going to show you a little bit about this magnet. And sometime soon we'll have some videos of us magnet fishing as well to clean up the environment. So let's get started with unboxing this thing. I got my knife ready. We're gonna cut it open on the sides here. And we're gonna cut it open across the top, do a light cut. We'll hide our address here so it's not showing. All right, looks like we have a box inside of this box. That's all that's in there right now. So we'll put the shipping box aside. And this one looks like it says it's Muscular Magnetics. Their website is muscularmagnetics.com. And yeah, let's get started. We'll open this second box here and we'll see what's inside. Put our knife away. All right, great. So as we start to open up the box, they have a couple different magnets that they sell. Some are a little bit stronger. They also have a double-sided set of magnets that you can order. This again is going to be a single-sided magnet. Some of the other kits also come with grappling hooks. This one does not. However, I'll probably be ordering a grappling hook to go along with this. So first thing we have in here is our rope that we get with the kit. To my understanding, this is a 100-foot rope that you're going to use for the magnet. Looks like there's already a knot tied in it down here. And looks like it has some tape around it that's kind of reinforced. So this will hook up and it'll hook up, get your magnet on there. It will tighten up so you don't lose it in the water. So anyways, that's a 100-foot rope that comes in that kit so far. The next thing we see in here is a pair of gloves. This is something that you're going to want to wear for a couple reasons. First reason being, when you're lifting the rope out of the water, these rubber gloves help the wet rope so it's easier to pull up. The second thing is you might get some contaminants on the magnet and you really don't want to be touching those with your bare hands. So these gloves are going to be able to wipe off the magnet as you're fishing with it, and then you can always wash these gloves since they're rubber on the outside. My hands are pretty big. These gloves actually they actually fit pretty well, not bad. My hands are again are pretty big size, but These gloves they're a little snug in the knuckle area. Other than that, though, they feel good. Let me put the other one on. So yeah, again, these are going to be great. So when the rope is wet and you're pulling it up, you'll have a better grip on the rope itself, but you'll also be able to clean off the bottom of the magnet because of the rubber material that's on these gloves. And yeah, they're going to work well. And rubber gloves are easy to replace, you know, a couple dollars at your local Walmart probably, if you needed to get a new pair or a different pair. But yeah, these are definitely rubber. So you want them, you know, if you're allergic to this kind of material, you probably want to check to see if it's something that you can use. That way you don't get an allergy and get a reaction. But I'm not allergic to rubber, so these work just fine. All right, the next thing we see in the box is we have a sticker, which is kind of cool. It says Muscular Magnetics. Little sticker that we can put on something. We'll probably put it on our tackle box or something else. Not quite sure where we'll put that yet. But yeah, it comes a little sticker. That's always nice to have. We have a little card in here that says, "Thank you for your purchase. If for any reason you're not happy with your magnet, please contact us immediately so they can make it right." One thing I know about these guys is I contacted them before I actually made the purchase, and I wanted to team up with them, and I wanted to have that win-win situation going where you know, I get a magnet and I start cleaning the rivers. I promote their magnets, promote their website, that you can buy these things on their website. That way, again, we're cleaning the environment, making it better for fishing, for swimming, for drinking, just better all-around environment for the waterways. But anyways, they have a little card here. And again, thank you for your purchase. You can sign up. Let's see, sign up for a VIP list and enjoy exclusive access to special offers and new releases once they come out on muscularmagnetics.com. It also talks about on here, before you use the magnet, apply the thread locker to the threads on the eye bolt. Let it cure for up to 24 hours for maximum results. So what that means is there's a thread locker material that's in the box. That's the next thing in the box here. Looks like a little dropper that you can drop onto the actual metal part here. And it says, again, apply this thread locker to the threads on the eye bolt. So you're going to apply it to this, you're going to apply it to the magnet itself. Let it cure for up to 24 hours for maximum results. So you want to secure it here. You're going to then take it and put it on what is the only thing left in the box is the magnet. So we'll pull that out. You want to make sure, the other thing is with these magnets, you don't put them near any type of source like a phone or anything like credit cards, anything like that. You don't want to put this next to it because these magnets are very, very powerful and you can tend to erase data on your phones and other devices. But yes, this is the Muscular Magnetics. It says caution, it's a pinching hazard, so you could potentially get something on there and get pinched. It's strong, durable, and tough. It has their website, muscularmagnetics.com. Has a couple warning sites on it. Again, this is the this is the magnet that I ordered. That I'll look up the specs and I'll put them in the description. I think it's about 925 pounds roughly of magnetic strength that it can pull. Single-sided. Everything will clip together. This will go on here. So when you throw it in, it's going to be secured and you'll be able to pull it out of the water. So yeah, again, we're going to try this out, see how we like it. I think what I'm going to do is every time when I do fish with it, you obviously want to clean this off, this material, or the bottom of the magnet itself. You're going to get a lot of junk on here from the water, just buildup of mud and other stuff. So you want to definitely clean it off after you're done with fishing for the day, and you want to dry it really well too. That way your magnet stays in pristine order. So you probably can go to a dollar store, get a little brush off, or even like a little toothbrush or something, just brush off the excess material that gets on here, like mud, for instance. And you want to have some kind of a cloth to just dry it off afterwards so you can put it back away for safe storage. Again, you don't want to put this near anything that is like credit cards or telephones or computers, anything like that, because it will tend to erase the data on hard drives, on your any type of disk material like an SD card, credit cards, all that stuff. It's all stuff that can be really wiped out by magnets, especially strong magnets like this. So yeah, that's our box opening for this magnet. And again, it's muscularmagnetics.com. Go out, check them out. You can order your own, and we can start cleaning the waterways together. So this is Fishing Bass NC. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're alerted to the new videos that come out. Also, I would sure appreciate if you could drop a like on this video. That's going to help me out as well. You know, anytime that I drop a video, I hope you watch it the whole way through and hit the like button afterwards. Again, it's going to help me out on YouTube to build this community for you guys. Again, Fishing Bass NC, we're out. Hey guys, I forgot to mention one other thing you want to do is join my other social medias. So we have facebook.com/fishingbassnc. We have Twitter, which is twitter.com/fishingbassnc1, the number 1. And we have Instagram, which is instagram.com/fishingbassnc. So go out there, follow those other social medias that we have, drop a like, drop a subscribe, follow us around. We'll have pictures, we'll have videos, all kinds of great stuff coming up. We're going to do some giveaways in the very near future too, for some products that we have already set aside. We got some new products coming in on some other mystery tackle boxes, and a couple other goodies down the road. So stay tuned. Again, on YouTube, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're alerted when we have new videos going up. And anytime we have a video, please drop a like on it. That's going to help us tremendously. Thanks again. This has been Fishing Bass NC. We're out of here. Have a great weekend.